Hi guys, it is Paige here. So today I'm going to be doing a vlog for y'all. So I think I'm going to be filming some houses, stopping by the Woodlands Mall, and then stopping by the grocery store for dinner tonight. So come along with me and see what else we get into. So first, I totally forgot, but a couple weeks ago I got into a car accident and I'm fine. The baby's fine. And I got my car back, but we had a rental and I put the garage door openers in the rental because I was driving it. And then I dropped off the rental like a week ago, I think, and the garage door openers were still in there. So I'm gonna stop by the car rental place and see if they have my garage door openers. Okay, so we made it to the mall. It was raining so bad and it took me forever to find a spot in the parking garage, but we are here. Oh, and funny thing is that I went to the place to get the garage door openers and they had like a whole bucket of garage door openers. I guess people do that. I guess it's common to leave them. And so I just had to guess which one was mine. So hopefully it works. Okay, so I made it in the mall. I got a little wet, but it's okay. So I'm here because I have a photo shoot on Friday with the baby, a Valentine's Day photo shoot because it's his first Valentine's. So I'm gonna try to find something to wear, and then I'll take y'all to the rest of the mall, just kind of show what it looks like. Say hi, baby. Hello. So I got a smoothie, so I'm just sitting here with the baby. He's eating some cookies and I'm enjoying my smoothie. Okay, so I found something to wear for the photo shoot, so I'll probably leave soon, and the baby's getting tired. We're having a little break, so I'll probably head to the grocery store soon. Okay guys, I am now at the grocery store, so I'm gonna go in and grab some stuff for dinner. I don't think I'm gonna film some houses today just because the weather is so bad that it's just not gonna turn out good. So I'll probably do that tomorrow, so y'all be on the lookout for some listing tours that are gonna be posted. But yeah, I'm gonna go in, grab some stuff for dinner, and then head home and start the night routine and wait for my husband to get off work. Right, we're at the grocery store.